Hey peoples, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play duos, but we have a challenge. We're gonna play one chest challenge. We get one chest each, so that's the only load we can use. Pretty simple, and we can upgrade our weapons because otherwise, if we get a gray, say for example, pistol, that is going to be bad. So upgrading is allowed because you never know what random stuff you get from chess nowadays. So Pratul, I have my friend Pratul here. Sup? Hello, PK. Yeah, sup? Yeah, I can hear him. You got those dive knives, bro? I want them. No, what's my level? You even know, kya? He got the dive knives. We don't have the battle pass, so we're just happy we have whatever it is. Yeah, we don't buy the battle pass. That's why. Yeah, it's much better stuff. Yeah, dual pickaxes. I love dual pickaxes. I've never had them. These like single hand pickaxes, like they're very big. I hate them. Ooh, somebody has a Captain America. PK in front of you. Somebody has Captain America. Behind you. Yeah, that guy is Captain America, bro. He bought Captain America. Turns out he's not wearing his skin. Yeah, where are you? Where are you? Yeah, it's so cool. Plus, the animation is much better. I like it, bro. No, let's drop Sweaty. No, let's drop Holly. Yeah, Holly. Because Sweaty wears too much water. Sweaty is for sweats. You never know, sweats might come. Lol. And plus, the new update has come. It came like few days ago. I'm kind of delayed. Yeah. No, he obviously has bought the skin. Even you could have bought it. Lol. My friend is like, Captain America is good, that's why he won't kill us. As if. Bro, what's wrong with you? Thank the bus driver ASAP. Hashtag bus driver, take my thanks. Take it. Okay. Bro. Hey, look at the agency. I mean, authority. It was the agency now. Who cares? So, one chest only. Yeah, authority is dumb looking. Yeah, so we'll show each other's loot because otherwise, my friend was like to me, what if I get a gray weapon? And he was like, oh, I'll change it, you won't even understand. That's why I'm just gonna record it like what he gets, and hopefully he does not cheat. So that's why I'm gonna land with him where there's like at least one or two chests in per house. I know that much. Go to this house. Oh, we have friends. Oh, I hate friends. Bro, I don't know where I land. I just. Okay, I'll open the first chest. No, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. I'm coming, I'm behind you. So this chest is mine. Okay, so we can take mats from anywhere. Bro, wait, let me mini up. We can take mats and meds. Bro, there's like three people. Yeah, no, but you can't use crash pads. Don't use crash pads. My friend just likes to cheat as much as he can. He's like this very funny cheater. Bro, where you going? You got a FAMAS. Bro, that was mine. There's somebody right outside us. There's like, ooh, he's in the Agek house. Yeah. Oh my god, why? I know, right, bro. I mean, you can upgrade your FAMAS into a burst air only. Now it becomes a burst only. So we're just gonna gather a lot of mats. Hey, there's guys here. Knocked him. Array, don't kill him now. Why you do this? His friend is also here only. What? There are other people? Kill him, kill him. Take their ammo. Bro, they had decent loot. Not bad. Give me those slurp mushrooms, bro. We can't pick up their loot. Bro, you have so much heals. My axe. What do you mean? There's somebody there, I see. Pratul, I don't have ammo. I don't have ammo. Oh my god, I don't have ammo. I have 18 bullets, bro. Come to me. There's two guys on me. Bro, who's shooting at me from Pichu? Bro, stop shooting at me, everybody. What's wrong with them? Pratul, you robbed all my ammo. I don't have any ammo. Just gonna eat a chili. I'm gonna eat a chili so that I can run if I need to. Bro, I'm stuck. You pickaxe. There's guys here. PK, come to me. But I don't know where they are. I think they are in different teams because I hear shooting. Bro, I'm so scared. Pratul, if I die, save me. Oh, somebody got killed. Oh, bro, I don't have ammo. Wait, I'm gonna run around with. Oh my god! Epic tack, bro! Epic tack! Epic tack! Oof! I have 2 bullets. Nice. My god, it's kind of hard with the chilies. Because you go. Now I have 16 bullets. Nice. Just gonna mini up. Okay. Bro, my chili asar. Who is Niche? Bro, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Yeah. I eliminated him. I killed him. I killed him. Bro, we have a FAMAS. I so need material. We have a FAMAS. I have a AR. Why did you give us a shotgun game? Game, I hate you. How much do you need for upgrading? Yeah. Yeah, decoys aren't a weapon, so decoys are technical. Flare gun? No, flare gun is like a weapon. Okay, bro. I see a mark above me for some reason. There's somebody here with firefly jars, it seems. Oh, is that you who shot the floor? Flare? Why would I say floor? Flare के वजह से हुआ है. Because there's like trees on fire here. Bro, I so need mats. Like a lot of mats. I have mini, I have one mini. Use it, use it. I don't know, it's like not needed actually, but still just use it. Bro, where's the brick? I thought this was supposed to be made of brick. Turns out it's not. Yeah, decoys are okay because decoys are dumb. They don't even damage opponents. Bro, decoys are. Where's the brick? Why is everything giving me wood? I thought houses were made out of brick. Oh, oops. Lol, I just fell. Bro, bro. Yeah, your gun's father. Kiki Famas, it becomes into this. Yeah, makes sense. No, I don't think there are upgrade benches here. I mean, we'll find one. Like, they're pretty now common. Because you can throw them around. There's a flare gun in the game. I have 3 ammo, bro. Even worse. Bro, why is my game just bad? We are seriously so low on ammo. I thought ammo was like a pretty easy thing to find. Turns out it's not. Ammo is pretty hard to find. Why are there so many ammo boxes that have been looted? Why don't I find any ammo? Like, seriously, no ammo I have. Bro. What FAMAS do you have? Like, what's the rarity? Green FAMAS. I have a green AR. Bro, that fit. Bro. I hate this. I hate this. Where's the... I'm just gonna break down the whole house. Bro, I broke down the whole house. I broke down the whole house. Hey, that's my ammo. Bro, there was one more burst. Bro, give me like 60. What are you doing? 12? You give me 12 ammo? What's wrong with you? My friend is one crazy. Give me 60 ammo, bro. Why are you giving me 18 ammo? What's wrong with this kid? He has 120 ammo and he says, oh, I'll just give you like 10 ammo. Yeah, that's good. Bot hai kya tu? Just say split. Bro, this kid is so dumb. Why are you going away? You picked it up again. Idiot. Ah, I'm just collecting mats and now I'm stuck. Okay. Yeah, split से 18 ammo मिलता है हाँ, मुझे. You have 120 ammo and split से I get. This Pratul is such a miser. I say it on video. Pratul is a miser. Call him a miser, everybody. Why are there builds here, bro? Why is there a chest here? Chest, do not tease me. I will break you. Okay, I can pick up the. No, why are you going there? Just collecting mats for some reason. I'm gone crazy. I want to collect mats. Bro. Where's the upgrade benches at? Seriously. Bro, Zod will kill us. If a PK. Yeah, he was like way away from me, I think. Yeah, he didn't have any ammo. Yeah, makes sense. Bro, I have a chili. I'm gonna chili. So that I go faster and I catch up with this guy. Chili's working while you swim, right? Bro, I'm just like running. Bro, that was fast. I'm running. Bro. Bro. Okay. Gather. Yeah, there we go. Bro. You have 625 ammo? I have 65 ammo. Bro. Bro, I'm so fast. Oh. Bro, I'm so fast. I have 800 ammo. 800 ammo kya? 800. Hey, XP coin. Let's go. Let's go collect that XP coin. Ah, I became slow. Wait, I wanna. Do not open the XP. Do not. 1 second. Yes, let's go. XP coin, you are mine. Yes, I have got the XP coin. What do I do then? Why you wanna kill them? Oh, did it go outside? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, XP coins? Where did it go? Okay. I don't care, bro. I'm just collecting XP coins. I don't care. Okay, I have. Okay. What was that? My game just lagged out and it just froze. My game broke because of that. Bro, you took damage. Somebody sniped you, kya? Yeah, you can take the mythic chug jug. It's healing. Point ray. Wait, I'm carrying all the meds. Bro, we just killed somebody with the mythic chug jug. Yeah, let's just sit in here. Okay, Pratul. Yeah, I'll just collect mats. Yeah. I don't even hear footsteps. How do you know it's a guy here? Bro, my game's lagging. Okay, there we go. My God, look at how much meds I have. Oh, okay, let's drink shield pot. Let's do this. I have one shield pot, 6 minis, 3 medkits, and one apple. What's wrong with me? Okay, I'm just gonna harvest. You chuck down a. Oh, let's go. Hey, let's upgrade, boys. Okay, there we go. Bro, give me some metal now. I can upgrade it again. 50. 50 से भी कम थोड़ा. 40 I need. Yeah, I need 43. I can upgrade into a scar, bro. It needs 150, bro. Give me 20 more. I need 20 more, Pratul. 20. I had miscalculated. Okay, thank you. Let us upgrade our weapon. Give me some AR ammo. I have 60, bro. And I have a scar, okay? So you give me the ammo. Give me all the ammo, boy. I'm breaking this. I'm carrying this. I'm carrying this. Chucking my one apple. Good boy. Why did you mark here, bro? No, do not go near them. Run, Pratul. I don't care. Bro, marauders are the worst. Next challenge will be marauder loot only, boys. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck? I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Bro, I'm lagging so bad. Bro. Ah, my game's lagging. Okay, there we go. It's back. Why is my game lagging so much? I don't know. Can't say anything. Bro, is there an airdrop there? Why am I stuck? Pratul, I'm stuck. Can't move. Can't even swing my pickaxe. Oof, I'm lagged. I'm lagged. My net. No, not my net. Oh, I hate my net. Net. Step. Okay, there we go. I'm back. Oh, let's go. You were like a mile away from me, and now you're just like next to me, it seems.